Más fácil así.
This is the assistant wheelchair slash seat. This one is incomplete when you get it out of the box. Pretty much, you're gonna require some assistance putting it together. If you guys can see, parts are all mixed up. It does come with zip ties, cardboard, and well protected so nothing can get scratched. So we're gonna put it together here. Setting up these things, they're all numbered, all right? When you're setting up the legs. This is number 3, that means it's associated with this part, all right? So just to be aware, if you want to take it apart and put it away, you can. It's easy to put back together too. The stickers are all well labeled. All right, here's the final product on the actual finished wheelchair slash walker. Now this thing is adjustable. I'm going to show you guys here. There's actual different levels in the back. So if the handles are too high, you could loosen them up, all right? And then you can lower it down to any section 1, all right? It goes 1 all the way to 7. We're gonna set it up at 4, if you guys can see that. These are adjustable, you guys can see that. You could set them up to any height you want. You got your brakes on both sides, all right? You got brakes on both sides, so you don't have to worry about if it goes off, if it's going down the hill. You can always brake yourself here. It has 2 reflectors here, so you're walking at night, late night, and cars are passing by. 2 reflectors. Seat is foldable 2 different ways, so you could fold it this way or this way. You could sit either or. There's a seatbelt in it. You could sit this way. If you're gonna watch a movie, put your hands down here, or just sit down, relax, watching a show, or going to the park. This is one way. And then the other way, you flip this over. You bring it this way, and you're able to sit down here. Now, one of the best things I like about it, it has leg stands for your feet. All right, so we're gonna set those up right now. I'm gonna show you a little bit more thorough on that. Now, the whole system, like I said, it took me about 30 minutes to put together. Instructions were thorough. Everything was numeric. The only thing, if you're elderly and you don't have any tools, you're not going to require tools, but you are going to require some assistance to actually push some of the actual screws in there and lock them in place. So let me show you a little bit more about the actual footing, all right? There's one clip. You could always remove it from here. You don't have to have these. This is a right and there's a left. So they're all numeric and they're all labeled, all right? Now there's an actual clip here that grabs onto the leg, all right? When you click it on, there's actually a little lever here. You don't have to hit the lever. It automatically locks in place when you push a little bit more authority, right? Now you put this down, the leg. This is for your actual feet, won't hit. You do the same thing on the other side. You unhook it. It's a little strong here, so you have to push it a little bit back. And all you got to do is lock it in place, bring them down. And like I said, they're well labeled, so you want to sit down on them. You can do this, but you have to open these up so you won't push yourself back. Sit yourself in there. You can lock yourself in with your seatbelt. Put your feet down, and you're able to push the individual out of the box. It could become a wheelchair, it could become a walker, or just a regular seat. Then when you want to put the whole thing away, we're going to repeat the cycle. So here, you push the button here, all right? You push it down, and then you lock it in place here. Push the button here. It's a little strong. Push the button, lock it in place. Now, there's a saddle bag. It's optional. You're able to actually set this up and open it up. Put your medication, anything you buy out of it, you go load it up. There's a mesh that you can see through what's in there. In case you have sand or any clothing, it'll automatically fall off this. There's a little saddle. It's all reflective, all right? All the lines are reflective for night walking. Now, when you're ready to put this away, like I said, it does have a seat belt. You can remove the actual latches and everything else, but I'm gonna show you a great thing. So once you want to put it away, you grab it from here, you just push it towards you up. Now when you close it, this is the most important part, all right? This thing right here, if you guys can see, this part right here needs to grab onto this. So you need to grab it here, lock it in place, and it won't go anywhere. This fits, it's slim enough. You can remove the tires and the brakes, the front tires, the back tires. If you want to fit in your trunk, easily fit in any kind of car. Your back seats, and it's foldable, adjustable. If you don't have room in your house, you could slip it between couches, closets. Now, this is a walker. All right. You can walk anywhere. There's plenty of distance for your leg won't hit these things, the tires, all right? So, if you guys can see that. Brakes. If the individual gets tired, stop here and sit down and enjoy the view.